Hello students, welcome to second lecture of maths. The topics which we will be discussing today are reading of numbers. In this topic, we will learn about different place value periods and writing of numbers in both figures and in words. Place value and expanded form. In this, we will determine the place value of numbers and how to write the numbers in expanded form. Then we will be discussing about international system of writing numbers and Roman numerals. Now let's start with our first topic, reading of numbers. Before reading a number, we divide it into periods starting from the right. The first period consists of 3 digits called the units period. Next period consists of 2 digits called the thousands period. Next period also consists of 2 digits called the lakhs period. We separate the periods by a comma. Let us read and write the number names of 314030 and 1370502. First put comma after 3 digits starting from the right, then put comma after 2 digits. The number 314030 is read and written as 3,14,030. Similarly, after putting comma, the number 1370502 is read and written as 13,70,502. Now let's write 6,03,405 and 45,401 in figures. After placing the digit in their correct place value, 6,03,405 in figures is written as 603405 and 45,401 is written as 4500401. Now coming to place value and expanded form. While writing the place value of a number, always make place value chart. Place value chart can help us in determining the place value of a digit. Now let us find the place value of digit 3 in 63,04,751, 35,47,109 and 95,43,710. So, the place value of 3 in 63,04,751 is 3 lakh. Place value of 3 in 35,47,109 is 30 lakh. Similarly, the place value of 3 in 95,43,710 is 3,000. Now let us do one more example. 25,03,702. We will write this in expanded form and we will find the place value of the digit 3. In expanded form, 25,03,702 is written as 20 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 3,000 plus 700 plus 2, and the place value of digit 5 is 5 lakh. Now coming to our next topic, international system of writing numbers. Earlier we have learned the Indian system of writing numbers. In international system, we We separate the periods by putting comma in group of 3 from extreme right. The first 3 digits from the extreme right makes units period. Next 3 digits makes thousands period. And next 3 digits makes million periods. Here you can see after putting comma the number 987,654,321 is read and written as 987,654,321. Let's do one more example. In international system, 9340596 is written as 9,340,596. Now coming to our next topic, Roman numerals. Look at the screen. These are the 7 basic Roman numerals. These numerals stand respectively for 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Now children, there are some basic rules of Roman numerals. Let's discuss them. Roman numerals always read from left to right. The symbols can be repeated only 3 times, and the symbols which can be repeated are I, X, C and M. If the lesser symbol is before a greater symbol, the lesser is subtracted from the greater. And if a lesser symbol is after a greater symbol, the two values are always added. These are some of the examples. Now let's write Roman numerals in Hindu-Arabic numerals. L X X I is equals to L plus X plus I plus I, or 50 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1, which is equals to 73. XCVI is equals to XC plus VI, or 90 plus 6 equals to 96. Similarly, XLIX is equals to XL plus IX, or 40 plus 9 equals to 49. So students, I hope you all understand all the topic discussed today. Thank you.